In today's video, we're going to be having a look at Terra Luna, guys. If you guys remember my video yesterday, I was talking about this ascending triangle and how a breakout is imminent. And this is exactly what happened. So this was a video on my channel yesterday. I mentioned that Terra Luna was in this ascending triangle right here. Terra Luna Classic explosion soon question mark. And yes, this is exactly what is happening. My target was exactly this. Now, how did I calculate this target? Well, if I take this, the top of the triangle, right, or the ascending triangle to the bottom where it started right here, and then I extend that, that's where essentially our target is. And it seems like we're exactly reaching our target at the breakout right here. So in today's video, guys, just a quick update on Lunc. It's traded at 0001543, market cap of $1 billion. So the market cap just regained $1 billion for the first time in a while. That is fantastic news. The volume is $202 million. $202 million. It's up 40%. That is fantastic. Volume to market cap ratio is 20%. So as you guys can see right here, 200 million, 20% of the market cap is currently being traded. Will Terra Luna continue this pace? Will we continue pumping? Where are we going from here? Things are getting very, very interesting, guys. And with the whole 1.2% tax burn and the staking and everything implemented, it seems like only good things are happening right now. Almost 1 million people on the watch list too. So even though this thing dumped, it seems like people are essentially, regaining trust and adding Terra Luna Classic on the watch list. So this is very, very interesting. Ranked 211, of course. So this is in the top 200. The circling supply is still $6.5 trillion. But let's dive into some TA real quick. Where are we going? Where is Terra Luna going, guys? This was a perfect ascending triangle right here, bouncing on the trend, and we know the trend is your friend, right? So not only were we squeezing here, but we were squeezing on the resistance as well. And of course, this is a bearish pattern. Why? Because we were in an uptrend overall, and we know that when we're in an uptrend, then it typically breaks out to the upside. Now, if we were in a downtrend, then we created a ascending channel right here, or ascending triangle, then it would be a different story. But because we were in an uptrend, that's why we are breaking out. Now, having a look at some of the exponential moving average, guys, I also mentioned the EMA ribbons yesterday. I mentioned that the EMA ribbons were very, very important, and that ever since we broke out right here on the 23rd of August, we would essentially be supported by the EMA ribbon. Now, guess what happened? This is exactly what happened. We came up, came back down, got rejected by the EMA ribbon. Okay, then came back up again, came back down, rejected, came back up, back down, rejected again, and then took it off. We just broke out the exponential moving average, broke out the ascending triangle. We just broke out of everywhere. So this is what the EMA ribbons are doing. Very, very important. I could have a look at the EMA ribbon on the daily time frame as well. Let me remove the drawings real quick. Let's go. On the EMA ribbon on the daily time frame, same thing. Things are looking fantastic. It seems like this is turning bullish, guys. Things are moving towards the upside. We saw this breakout right here, came back, retested, and then just took off again. Consolidated. We know that this was a healthy consolidation, that Terra Luna needed a consolidation. Now, if you guys remember my video on the stochastic RSI yesterday, if I have a look at the RSI real quick, let me pull it up. So another thing that I want to mention, guys, is the stochastic RSI. I mentioned that the stochastic RSI, we were in a massive move coming on the 4-hour time frame. So right here on the 4-hour, we were pretty oversold. Okay, it seems like a massive move was coming. We were oversold. We were below 20, and investors right here were looking to buy. Okay, and the blue, if you guys remember my video yesterday, I mentioned that the blue was flipping over the orange, and that means that is a bullish sign. So this is exactly what is happening right now. This is the bullish right here. This is a nice little trend we have, and of course, this is a cross support resistance. So this was a resistance and flipped support. So everything just added up together. Now right here was the exact cross that we had. So if you guys actually zoom in, and if I zoom in right here, let me zoom in for you guys. You could see that the blue was crossing over the red, and that was just turning bullish. Everything was just turning bullish. Now it seems like we're not done. I mean, look at that. Back then we were at 101. We were at 101, and look where Terra Luna was. Terra Luna Classic. It was at 1.3. Now we're at 1.5, and look where it is right now, 65. So I think there's still more room to grow. I think the stochastic RSI still has a little bit more pumping to go. We're gonna have to see where this goes. It's gonna be very, very interesting, but that's about it. Let's have a look at the RSI, the regular RSI. It seems like it is going up, and it seems like we are entering the oversold, overbought territory, but that doesn't mean anything. I still think that there's more pumping to do. Look at that. They're just flying. Things are just flying. I mean, this is very, very nice, very beautiful, very beautiful break right here. And that's about it, guys. These are the moving average. If we have a look at the VP profile, VPVR profile right here, we know that the point of control was sitting at 0.12. So we know that any closure below that would have been bad, because it would have been a close below a close below this trend line right here, which is also the ascending triangle. So if we would have closed below the ascending triangle, it would have been bearish. And of course, if we would have closed below the point of control, which is the VPVR, it would have been bearish as well. But things are looking very fantastic, very good, very bullish for Terra Luna Classic. If you guys like this quick update on Terra Luna Classic, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow.